guys, I'm Miriam. This is a fall goddess bronzy makeup look. Are you ready? Let's do this. I've already done my base and my eyebrows on fleek. Eyes. For the eyes, I'm going for a gorgeous copper orangey smoky eye. First, create a crease-proof base. For that, I'll be using I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. Alright. Just tap that all over. Use whatever finger you want to. Tap, tap, tap. Just like that. This will make your eyeshadow last all day and all night. My eyelids are ready for the eyeshadow. And I pick up the Born Awesome Face and Eye Palette. This palette is amazing. It has matte and shimmering gorgeous tones. For my fall warm makeup look, I'll be using these lovely peachy tones that you can see. And I'll definitely be using the shimmering tones. Okay, let's get into it. Let me pick up a brush. I'll be using a blending brush. First tone I'm gonna pick out is deep peachy tone. Apply it on the crease. First dab, 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 dab. I pick up a blending brush with no product. I'll blend out the edges of my crease. I'll take same color and apply it on the outer corner of my eyelids. I'll be picking up the peachy tone right in the middle and apply it on my eyelid. I'm gonna pick up the same color for the under eyes. It's time for shimmers. The first shimmer I'll be using is the darker one. I'm going to use that to intensify my crease and outer corner. And then I'll apply it on the outer lower lash. A tip to intensify your eyeshadow, spray setting spray. Apply on lower lash. Next, I'll apply the second shimmer. I will apply it from the outer corner into the middle of the eye. Third shimmer, I'll be using this for the other half of my eyelid and inner corner. Last shimmer will be this. That'll be my brow highlight color. Let's blend that. For lashes, I'm using I Need a Miracle Volumizing and Strengthening Mascara. So this one is a very special brush because it's a peanut-shaped brush. It gives you so much length and so much volume, and that is what my lashes definitely need. 1 hour later. Let's do the bottom lashes. Lips. First, I'll be using the Draw the Line Instant Color Lip Liner in the shade 12, and it's called Head to My Toes. I want my fall makeup look to be red, bold, and sexy. The amazing thing with this is you can sharpen it. So the sharpener is at the back here. Just pull it out. It's a beautiful matte pigmented color. This is the color 08 I'll Make You Blush. Smells lovely. Let's apply it. It glides on my lips and feels amazing. And now I've got the perfect juicy lips. This is the Glow to Go highlighter palette, and I'll be using this to finish my look. I'll be using the golden tone, and I'll mix it with this tone right here. Just tip it on my nose. All done. Lastly, to give your eyes that extra that extra pop, you can put on this lovely melted chrome eyeshadow in 06 Copper Me, and let's just apply it with the finger. I'll be using my pinky. So pigmented and so me. I love copper. To make your eyeshadow pop more, you glide it on. Do you see the difference? Final touch. And that will be the Instant Matte Fixing Spray. So this mattifying setting spray is oil-free, non-sticking, and lightweight. Alright, this is my fall goddess bronzy inspired makeup look. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ascend's YouTube channel. Hit that notification button and I'll see you next time. This is Miriam, obviously. Bye.